How can China's financial system better support economic growth? Nobel Prize-winning economist Myron Scholes says they should provide more support for small and medium-sized enterprises.
I think that the growth momentum will come through developing new financing mechanisms that support the small, medium enterprises more efficiently than is currently done. And I think that that will also be that the banking culture, the banking system, builds a much better understanding of how to build credit models. The idea that moving in a direction that loans are not just transfers, but basically one has to evaluate the credit.
A key challenge is to deal with so-called zombie companies. Renowned Chinese economist Wu Jinglian says the financial system should not serve all enterprises, but only the good ones.
The function of capital markets is to realize efficient allocation of resources. That means it should not provide credit for all enterprises. It should provide funding for good enterprises and reduce capital for bad enterprises, banning bad enterprises from wasting social resources.
Regarding China's growing debt issue, participants are calling for more efficient capital markets to provide funding for enterprises.
The debt of the private non-financial sector in China is more than 200% of GDP, and that was signaled several times this morning. So if you want to deal with this excess of debt, you need to have a good market, a good credit market.
关心 CCTV 北京。